Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome back to our channel. I'm actually doing this blue eye look today because of you guys. Look at all of these amazing comments. Hopefully I learn how to edit that in. If not, that's awkward because there's gonna be nothing here. Shit. Anyway. If you like this look, then keep on watching. If you don't like this look, then maybe if you keep on watching, you'll end up liking this look. You never know. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by using our Shapetape matte foundation in the shade Light Medium Honey because lately this Florida weather has got my skin extra funky. So this has literally made me look flawless every time I use it, which I'm a fan of. I'm gonna start with the shade Cavern as my transition shade and my crease color. Now I'm taking the shade Lagoon to add dimension to our outer V. Now, as you're buffing, you want to make sure to keep the inner part of your lid completely clean, even though we will be using Shape Tape over it to start that beautiful rainbow effect. Just try and keep it as clean as possible because it makes it a lot easier. Now I'm taking a double-ended eyebrow brush and then Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna just grab some product and put it on my inner corner of my lid. And I like to kind of streak it off toward the end so that it has a great transition with the two shades. Taking the shade Splash, I'm gonna place that right over where I put the Shape Tape. Now I'm just gonna buff them two together toward the middle so that it blends really nicely. I'm gonna take the shade Splash and Lagoon one more time. I'm gonna place Splash in the inner the inner lower lash line, and then I'm gonna place Lagoon on the outer lower lash line. Since I really love the shade Nude Beach, I'm gonna place that just a little bit on the inner corner of my lid. Just gonna add a coat of our light skimmer lashes in this adorable packaging. So pretty. Before I apply my lashes. So it's just a light coat. Light Alex. Now I'm taking our vegan, cruelty-free lashes in the shade Center of Attention. Whenever I have a bold eye look, I like to keep the attention up here. So I'm gonna add our clear Quench Lip Rescue in the shade Clear. Clear. Just in case you wanted to hear it twice. I also wanted to mention I actually do need some help with my hair on my wedding day. So we actually have a Pinterest account. Follow Tarte Cosmetics, and then we actually all have a board on there as well. So we pin every single day, but if you, wait, let me just open my phone. If you go to Alex, you can see like kind of the theme of what I'm going for. I really like these, but check it out and like, look at this. So cute. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have any recommendations for that. There you have it. The look is finished, done, donezo, all with our Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this blue, like semi-cut crease, hopefully that's what it looks like, tutorial. I actually enjoyed making it because it is definitely out of my comfort zone. So thanks to you guys for asking me to do it. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, tartelettes.